Hi campers! I hope everyone's having a really fun summer so far. I know it can kind of be boring being stuck inside and without camp this summer, but I'm going to show you some fun stuff you can do inside. So during quarantine, I've been helping my mom and dad a lot in the kitchen and learning some fun recipes in the process. I've learned how to make smoothies and fun dinners and even an omelet all by myself, and I'm going to show you some stuff that you can do by yourself in the kitchen to help out mom and dad. So here is pita that I cut in the shape of a heart with a cookie cutter, and it has hummus and peppers on it. And I really like this because it tastes really good. And you don't have to have a cookie cutter at home. I made this on a rice cake, and it's a little smiley face with chocolate chips and bananas. So these are just examples. You can do whatever you want. But I'm going to show you how to make one on a waffle in just a second. So to make something like what I just showed you, you have to start with a base. Now this can be anything. It could be a piece of bread, it could be a rice cake like I showed you, or it could be a waffle or a pancake. I chose a waffle because I love waffles, and this was a frozen one, so you can have your mom or dad help you heat one of these up. So next is kind of any like hummus or anything you really want to put on top, like marshmallow fluff, peanut butter, sun butter. I'm putting this chocolate sauce that I made on it because I love chocolate. And yeah, and put as much of this as you want. You can use a dull knife or this little spreader that I have, and just put as much as you'd like on there. And you can skip this step totally, it's just part of the decorating part. Now it's decorations. You can use any fruit you want. I am using these berries that I just washed and a banana that I cut up a little bit earlier. And I think today I'm going to make a butterfly. So I'm going to start with the butterfly's body. And again, you can make whatever you want, anything. Like that. And then I think I'm going to make their wings out of bananas. One more wing. Okay, I'll switch these. Perfect. Look, he's coming alive. And then I'm going to put a couple designs with blueberries. I'm going to put the bigger ones on the wings, like that. And you can use whatever spread you're using to kind of stick them on there. I'm personally not going to do that right now. And then I'm going to take a couple smaller ones and I'm going to make little antennae. And that's it. So there you go. This is what you can make whatever you want with these, and they're really easy and really delicious, and I hope all of you try it and help your parents out, make a snack, maybe make one for them on their birthday. And yeah, have a nice summer, guys.